Good morning, students. Myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Monterey, Dhanbad. In the previous classes, we have discussed up to question number 3. Now, in this class, we will discuss from question number 4. Okay. Now, question number 4 is match the following. Now, it is already given food component in column 1 and products of digestion in column 2. So, food column will be, suppose this is column 1 and 2, it is already matched. Okay. Carbohydrates is converted to sugar, protein is converted to amino acid, that is simplest product, and fats is converted to fatty acid and glycerol. That means food components and products of digestion. That means this part is converted part before absorption. So these are the product of digestion which are ultimately absorbed. Okay. Now moving to the second one, question number 5. Question number 5. What are villi? What is their location and function? So villi are located in the small intestine. Villi are finger-like projections which are present in the small intestine like this. Okay. Their main function is to absorb food. These are villi which absorb food by increasing the surface area. They increase the surface area so that the digested food can be absorbed. They increase the surface area so that the digested food can be absorbed, and their location will be small intestine. Okay, their main role is to absorb food. So villi finger-like projection which are present in small intestine, they increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food components. Okay. Now moving to the question number 6. What is bile? Where is bile produced? Which component of food does it help to digest? The question number 6 consists of bile. So bile is produced by liver. Bile is produced by liver, and it helps in the in the digestion of fat. So bile is produced in the liver and it helps in the digestion of fats. Question number 7. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. Okay. So in ruminants actually have can absorb cellulose, which is a kind of carbohydrate, because in their gut consists of a bacteria which produces enzyme for the digestion of cellulose. The name of the enzyme is cellulase. Okay, the name of the enzyme is cellulase. Question number 8. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Very simple. Glucose is the simplest form of carbohydrate, so it doesn't need to be digested. Okay, it doesn't need to be digested. It is simply absorbed. Okay, so it is the simplest form of carbohydrate, so it is instantly absorbed. Okay, it doesn't need the process of digestion. It is simply absorbed and we get energy. Or you can say it is simply absorbed and assimilated. The faster will be the absorption, the faster will be the assimilation. Question number 9. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in absorption of food? So question number 9. Absorption of food. Absorption of food. Question number 9. 1. Absorption of food. The answer will be small intestine, intestine. Question number 2 is chewing of food. The answer will be 9, a mouth. Third one is complete killing of bacteria, stomach. Complete digestion of food, a small intestine. Fine. And the fifth one, formation of feces, large intestine. Okay, formation of feces, large intestine. So this is question number 9. Question number 10, which are the similar, write one similarity and difference between the nutrition amoeba and human being. The similarity is that both take food. Okay, so both are holozoic, both take food and absorb with the help of enzymes. The difference will be in the amoeba, which is a single cell, the whole cell act as a body, where in human there is specialized cell or tissue, a specialized organ for the digestion of food. So amoeba is unicellular and humans are multicellular. Amoeba, the entire cell is acts like a body, okay, and it produces enzymes to digest food, whereas in humans the digestive glands, or you can say the intestine, consists of millions of cells which form a separate system for the digestion of food. Question number 11, match the following. It is the last question. Whereas also the question number 12 is labeling. You can easily do it by yourself. Okay. So question number 11. Okay. Salivary gland. Salivary gland. The answer will be saliva secretion. This one. Salivary gland. Let us zoom in. Salivary gland. Saliva secretion. This one. Okay. Stomach. The stomach will be, the answer will be acid release. This one. Liver. The answer will be bile juice secretion. Rectum. The answer will be storage of undigested food. Okay. Small intestine, digestion is completed. Large intestine, absorption of water. Okay. So these are the answers. So mark it. Match the following. That is question number 11. Match the following. Okay. Salivary gland. The answer will be A, B, C, D, E, F. I am writing one by one answer. Salivary gland, saliva secretion. 3. Okay. Stomach, the answer will be acid release. 4. C. Liver, bile juice secretion. 1. D. Small intestine, digestion is completed. D will be rectum. I beg your pardon. D will be rectum. Storage of undigested food, that is 2. Small intestine, digestion is complete, that will be 5. Okay. F. Large intestine. The answer of the last one, that is F. Large intestine will be absorption of water, that is 6. Okay. So this exercise question answer is already completed. You can level the last diagram with the help of page number 12, figure number 2.2. It is already given. Okay, so question number 12, refer to page number 12, figure number 2.2. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. We will meet in the next class. Till then, all of you